As we come to the end of the year, we want to make sure we are fully prepared and planned for 2021. We want to be ready for the holidays, the trends, and anything that could potentially increase our print-on-demand sales. So I've done some research and I've created a list, a very, very good list of all the important dates coming in 2021. When it comes to designing t-shirts, stickers, or pretty much anything print on demand, a good rule of thumb is to upload that design 1 to 2 months before the day you're uploading for. So for example, if you're uploading for Father's Day, a good rule of thumb is to upload 1 to 2 months before Father's Day, which will allow people and give people time to go and buy your Father's Day designs and have them arrive at their houses before Father's Day hits. Now, it also depends on how big the day is. Not all days are that big and will get you that many print-on-demand sales, so they probably don't need the full 2 months prior to uploading. Another thing it depends on is which platform you decide to use, because all platforms have different shipping times. Redbubble, Teespring, Amazon, they all have different shipping times. And a nice thing I like to think of is Amazon is your last platform, right? They have the best shipping times. So if you're uploading anywhere, Amazon can be the last because they usually will get to the customer in time for that specific day. So before I tell you all the dates in 2021, please don't forget to smash that like button. It does wonders for the YouTube algorithm, and I'm really, really trying to hit 50,000 subscribers. So any sharing, any commenting, any subscribing, it all helps massively. I just want to say a massive thank you, and let's get straight into the video. Now, not all of these dates are going to be able to relate to a t-shirt design, and I'm not saying you have to create designs for every single one of these dates. All I'm saying is these are some of the biggest days in 2021. Not all of them, but some of the biggest days in 2021. So definitely when you're creating your print-on-demand plan for 2021, factor in these days and hopefully you'll get some extra sales that you probably weren't expecting. Starting with the first day, January the 1st, New Year's Day. Second, we have the 7th of February, which is the Super Bowl. The next is the 12th of February, which is the Chinese New Year. And then the 14th of February, which is Valentine's Day. Then the 15th of Feb, which is President's Day. 2nd of April is Good Friday. The 4th of April is Easter Sunday. The 5th of April is Easter Monday. The 1st of May is the Kentucky Derby. The 5th of May is Cinco de Mayo. The 9th of May is Mother's Day. The 31st of May is Memorial Day. The 20th of June is Father's Day. The 4th of July is Independence Day. The 6th of September is Labor Day. The 11th of October is Columbus Day. The 31st of October is Halloween. The 25th of November is Thanksgiving. The 26th of November is Black Friday. The 29th of November is Cyber Monday. The 25th of December is Christmas Day. And the 31st of December is New Year's Eve. I'm sure there are many other memorable big days in 2021. These are the ones that I found and thought to be the best. If you can think of any other big days, let me know in the comments. I will happily add them to this list. And I just want to quickly say this list is based on the US days, which is why you have President's Day in there and stuff like that, right? This is based on US days. And the reason I did that is because the US is the biggest market for print on demand. Obviously there are specific UK days, and I'm sure every country has specific days. Like I said, the US is the biggest market for print on demand, so I thought I'd base it around the US dates. Use this information to prepare for 2021 and have some designs ready to go, and hopefully you'll see more sales in 2021 than you did in 2020, because one of the biggest things that I was noticing in 2020 were people saying, oh, I'm just too late, oh, I didn't anticipate this day coming up, I didn't make designs for this day, oh, I just missed it. If you put all of these days in your calendar with a reminder 2 months beforehand to upload a design or 10 designs around those days, hopefully in 2021 you should not miss anything, and you'll be able to take advantage of every major holiday and make sales during every major holiday. What I have done for you is I have created a custom calendar for you, as you can see here, On this calendar, I've put in all the dates and I've put in the reminders so you get reminded 30 or 60 days before the event. If you want to download this custom calendar that I've created for you, the link is in the description. It's really, really cool. It will give you all the reminders and everything. It will have all the dates I just mentioned already fitted into this calendar. It took me ages to make this calendar, so I really hope you enjoy it and you use it. And yeah, other than that, I just want to say a massive, massive thank you for watching this video. I hope 2021 is incredible for everyone. I hope everyone gets so many more sales than they did in 2020. And again, if you want that calendar, the link is in the description. And yeah, and don't forget, by the way, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below if there are other dates that I missed out, or there's dates that you think are quite big that I should have added. Let me know, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.